You have to lose fat now before it's too late. You may think that's dramatic or an overstatement, but I promise you, every day, every week, every month, every year you wait, you are less likely to ever lose fat and get in shape. In today's video, I'm going to break down for you why you have to start today, right now, if you want any chance of changing, and the damage you are doing to yourself by waiting. The longer you tell yourself I'll start tomorrow and then proceed not to act on it, the deeper you are wiring that habit into both your conscious and your subconscious. You are literally forming the identity that you are someone who doesn't stick to their word. I was someone who did this for years. I would lie in bed every single night and I would tell myself, tomorrow I'm going to start, tomorrow I'm going to fix my diet, I'm going to go to the gym, I'm even going to go for a run, and I'm going to actually make a change. But I would never stick to it. I'd wake up the next day and I would go about my day just as I did the day before. I would eat shit, not move, and just sit there. And every single time I did that, I burned that reality and that identity deeper into myself. I became the guy who always said, I'm going to get in shape, I'm going to lose my belly, I'm going to make a change. But those words were always followed by, I'll start on Monday, I'll start next week, or I'll start tomorrow. And once that identity is locked into you, it's so fucking hard to break. And it took me years to break it down. And the longer you wait, the more it gets locked onto you and the more difficult it becomes to change. Every single time you do that, you're making it harder and harder to change because you are proving to yourself that you are a man whose words mean nothing. They mean fuck all. You are literally absorbing the identity of someone who says they're going to do something and then they never act on it. And guess what? That's going to leave you fat and out of shape for the rest of your life. And if you think you can just live like that without it bleeding into other areas of your life, you are wrong. It's going to bleed into your career, your relationships, and the way that you carry yourself until eventually you become the husk of a man who never sticks to their words and never achieves anything they set out to. Every single day that you wait, you are digging a deeper and deeper hole for you to get out of. The only ever moment you will have is the present moment right now. The moment right now where I'm saying these words to you. So do something about it. Look, before I go any deeper, if you're sat there right now thinking, do you know what, this actually hit me, I'm actually ready to change, click the first link in the description and book a call with me and let's make that change. And if you're somehow still sat on the fence right now, let me explain to you what it's actually costing you. Firstly, you need to understand and you need to get in your head that time is only ever going in one direction, and that's away from you. And I'm sure you've noticed that every single year gets faster and faster, and the longer you wait, the less likely you are to ever see what the human body, specifically your body, the only one that you will ever be given, is truly capable of. Secondly, do you even remember what it feels like to be energetic? Probably not, because your baseline right now is feeling tired, sluggish, and having zero energy. All those extra pounds, all that shit you're eating is killing your natural drive. You get yourself out of bed, you throw yourself in the shower, you drag yourself to work, and then eventually, once you get through your day, you come home, lay on the sofa, eat some shit, and watch TV before it's time to go to bed. And then before you know it, another month and another year is gone. You are not living, you are surviving. Also, don't you ever think about how it feels to be actually confident? To not avoid mirrors, to be confident enough to take your shirt off and to go to events like the fucking man. Confidence is life-changing, I can promise you that. Your current baseline is tired, unconfident, and close to giving up. Don't fucking accept that. You get one shot at this, one shot at life, and once time goes, you can never get it back no matter how hard you plead. So don't accept your life as a mediocre existence. Make the change you need to make to actually live your life to the fullest potential. And then there's the health consequences, because whether you like to admit it or not, staying fat is slowly but surely killing you. You are setting yourself up for heart disease, diabetes, and low testosterone, which will suck every single piece of drive you have left out of you. You need to realize that it's aging you. Your joints, your heart, your brain, every single organ in your body is being damaged more and more every single day that you stay fat. And if you think it's just your health being damaged, you're completely wrong. Opportunities pass you by. Let's say you and a guy at work who's in shape has the same experience. Who do you think is getting that promotion? Because it's not fucking you. Who do you think your dream girl is going to choose? And if you have a girlfriend or a wife and you think they are not looking at other men who are in shape and wishing that was you, you are deluded, my friend. You don't get noticed. You are invisible when you are fat compared to a man who is in shape. Listen to me, I have lived both realities. I once looked like that, and now I look like this. When I look like that, I didn't get a second look by anyone. I was invisible. When I turned into that, opportunities just started landing at my feet. Every single area of my life got better and better, and better. Trust me, things change and things are different when you make a transformation like that. And here's the thing, you can live that life if you act right now. The upside of starting now is so much bigger than you think, and trust me, it can happen for you so much faster than you think. In the next 90 days, you can look completely different and become a completely different man. Trust me, it happened for me. It's happened for guys that I've worked with, so I know for a fact it can happen for you. When you start putting the work in and making progress, your confidence skyrockets. You walk into rooms with a different energy about you. You speak differently, and people start to treat you better because they can feel that vibration coming off of you, and that shit bleeds into every single area of your life. You stop being invisible, you stop hiding, and instead of life just floating past you, passing by, opportunities seem to just land on your lap and you go to the next level. But you have to start now, today, not tomorrow, not next week, because I know for a fact that if you lasted to this point in the video, you can feel that drive again. You can feel that fire in your belly, so use that and just do something that starts you on your journey. Go for a walk, hit a gym session, cook something healthy. Just start today. And look, if you want some help on that journey from someone who's been through it and from someone who's helped others do it, book a call with me using the first link in the description. Other than that, I hope this video pushes you to start because I fucking believe in you and I believe in every single man on this planet. I'll see you in the next one.